change the spring and seats in your shower head and it's still dripping. Alright, let's try to diagnose to see what's going on. Turned the water off. I went to Lowe's or Home Depot. O-ring assortment. So we're just gonna try to change the O-rings on the other pieces. So let's go ahead and remove the handle, and then we're gonna just go ahead and see what's going on. After you take your Allen key and just take a little screw out of there, move that handle, set it to the side, the sleeve, slide the sleeve off, put it to the side, this right here, twist it, twist off, move that. This should just pull out. Might still have water in it, so be careful. Might have to put 2 hands to do this. We're gonna see. See the water coming out. That up. So gotta screw this, unscrew that, and these are the rings that would have been replaced. So now you have more rings. You have a ring right here that's a little damaged, so you want to try to replace that ring. When you look inside here, there's nothing really in there that needs to be done and taken care of. You can take this and put that back in there. And then we're gonna work on just removing these rings. I took this ring off. I switched it. This one is thicker, it's a little tighter. I'm gonna just try to clean this out a little bit, and then I'll put everything back together and see if that fixed the leak. As you can see, these rings look a little damaged as well. So while I'm here, just replace all of them and then put everything back together and see if that fixes it. Rings replaced. So screw this back on. It's nice and tight. Put the sleeve back on. That's good. Handle back on. Screw it back in, and we're going to test it out.